This is the newest massage gun from Bob and Brad, and today I'm going to review it. Hey guys, it's Tim Fraticelli, physical therapist here with PT Progress, and last year I shared with you guys my top pick for a massage gun. It was this one right here, the C2 massage gun from Bob and Brad. I love this thing so much that I bought it as a Christmas gift for one of my family members, but then the Bob and Brad Mini came out and that became my go-to massage gun. I still really love this thing because of how small and compact and quiet it is, which we'll compare later in this video. But then everything changed because Bob and Brad took the feedback they heard from people like you and they created the Pro model, which is the very one that I have right here. And let me just say, this thing is awesome. I've been dealing with a sore spot in my upper back this past week, and I was using the C2 massage gun. The only problem with this massage gun, and it's great, but the only problem that I ran into is that I had to hold the very edge of the massage gun to reach that spot in my back, and it barely hit it. The Bob and Brad Pro version couldn't have arrived at a better time because this one comes in at 2 inches longer than the C2 massage gun, which may not seem like a big difference, but it really is noticeable when you're using it on your mid-back using this massage gun to take care of spots between your shoulder blades. This was one of the biggest complaints I've heard from people about using massage guns in general because it's difficult sometimes to use when you have mid-back pain. So the change in size for the X6 Pro model was a perfect change in my opinion for me because I can reach any part of my back without straining my shoulder or bothering my arm while I'm holding it for as long as I need to. Now, in addition to the longer handle, the other design feature I like on this model is the ergonomic handle, the same ergonomic handle that's on the C2 massage gun. It's really easy to grip, and I just really like how comfortable it is in your hand and how easy and lightweight it is. It's still a little bit heavier than the C2 version, but it's at 1.9 pounds, less than 2 pounds. This thing is really easy to maneuver and to control, and it doesn't become a burden on your shoulder if you're massaging your upper back or your lower back. It's really easy to control and to hold. Putting the design aside, let's talk about performance here. I'm going to say this: if you've tried the Bob and Brad C2 massage gun, my previous favorite massage gun, you'll be happy to hear that the Bob and Brad X6 Pro model performs just as well with a couple adaptations that you may actually prefer over the original massage gun. First off, the battery is larger, it's in the handle here, and it now comes with its own charging adapter port, unlike the other massage guns which used a USB-C port. Both the C2 and the Mini used that. The Pro model comes with its own charger and adapter because of its bigger battery. Now, the good news on this battery is that it can be used for up to 240 minutes and it gets fully charged in 3.5 hours. I think some of the stats on this are that you can use this for 10 minutes a day for a full month without recharging it. That's how good this battery is, and I think you're going to really enjoy being able to use this as much as you want with very few charges. Aside from the battery, the revolutions per minute or pulses per minute is definitely on par with the C2 model. Both have 5 intensity settings that produce anywhere from 2,000 to 3,200 pulses per minute, which is plenty of power to relieve any muscle soreness that you have, but the larger model has an amplitude of 10 millimeters, whereas the C2 model has an amplitude of 8 millimeters. Technically, this means the massage gun head travels 10 millimeters with each pulse instead of just 8 millimeters with each pulse as the C2 massage gun. Honestly, the difference may not be perceptible to everyone. I did notice a difference that this one does pack a larger punch, but it really isn't the deciding factor that I use when using a massage gun because I generally use a massage gun at about 2 or 3 intensity level, so you're not going to have any issue in terms of power, but just know this one packs a little bit bigger punch. Now, the performance factor that actually ranks highest in my book is sound, and comparing the Bob and Brad X6 Pro to the C2 and also the Mini, well, it was exactly as I expected. The Pro model is certainly louder than the Mini, but not much louder than the C2 at all. And honestly, I'm not surprised considering these units share quite a bit of similarity between the mechanical design and the materials, the quality materials that's built with. Both of these coming in under 60 decibels at the loudest or the most intense setting. That's comparable to a normal conversation level, and it's not going to drive you crazy or other people crazy if you're trying to watch TV or to use it in a gym. So both are relatively quiet. So let's give a listen as to the comparison between these 3 models. Okay, this is the Bob and Brad Mini massage gun. I'm going to turn it on and I'm just going to talk at a normal level on level 1. Now, this microphone is just above me and the massage gun, and we're just talking at a normal level. You can probably hear it still. And as we talk, I'm going to turn on the C2 massage gun to compare it. So The mini massage gun is down here, and the C2 massage gun is a little bit louder than the mini. We'll switch back to the mini, and you can tell this one is super quiet. It's really nice, and we're going back to the C2 massage gun. I've turned the mini massage gun off, and we're going to compare the C2 massage gun sound to the X6. Turning the X6 on to level 1. Now we're on to level 1. The C2 massage gun is down, but it's still on, and we're going to switch. It has a little bit higher pulse sound with the C2 massage gun back onto the C6. This is the larger Pro model, and we're going to turn it up all the way to level 5. We're on level 5 with the X6 Pro, and this is on level 5 with the C2. Again, C2, and we're going back to the X6. Both I can talk over, both I can have a conversation on, but I'm not going to have both of these on the highest level for the most part. I'm going to usually use that at around a 2 to 3 max, but as you can tell, I can have a regular conversation with someone and it's not drowning the conversation out like a machine gun or anything like that. It's relatively quiet for the size of these massage guns. Now, one of the biggest changes you've probably noticed with the X6 Pro model is the addition of this metal massage gun head. I've never seen a massage gun head attachment like this, which just screws onto the massage gun as opposed to the normal pressure fitting attachment, which can still work on this massage gun too. The metal massage gun head is actually really pretty nice because it glides really nicely along your skin and your clothing without catching like a rubber massage gun head does. And it's also possible to put this metal massage gun head in the freezer for a cooling massage, or even to warm it up in a container of hot water for a warming effect when you're using this massage gun. And if you're wondering, the Pro model also comes with 4 other attachments, including this air-filled attachment that I really like using on areas like my shoulder or the knee. The other Bob and Brad massage guns include a similar attachment, which is great. It's one of my go-to attachments because it's super easy to use over any part of your shoulder, your elbow, your knee, any part where there is a bony prominence. And this part is a little bit softer, so it does not hurt when you go over those areas. Like the other massage guns from Bob and Brad, the X6 Pro model comes with a very nice case that's lightweight, it's compact, and it easily stores all of the attachments inside, and as well as the charger. It measures about 9 by 10 inches, and it's very easy to store in a backpack or to take with you wherever you want. Look, there are no shortage of massage guns online, but don't take my word for it. You can see the thousands of 5-star reviews of their massage guns on Amazon. That's because people also agree that the Bob and Brad massage guns are high quality and they perform very well for their price point at less than $100 for most of these. The X6 Pro model comes in just over $100, so it's not the cheapest model from Bob and Brad, but honestly, I think it's worth the extra $20 to $30 because of the extra length, the different attachments, and the overall power and performance of the massage gun. It makes it worth the extra money. And you know, I've tried a lot of different massage guns on this channel, from really cheap massage guns to $500 massage guns, and I'll put any of these Bob and Brad massage guns against any of those any day, and I would not hesitate to recommend the X6 Pro version to my patients or my friends and family. So there you have it. That's my opinion as a physical therapist on the newest massage gun out there, the Bob and Brad X6 Pro. You can find a coupon to save $40 on this massage gun below and save even more with the promo code PROGRESS10. Let me know what questions you have by leaving a comment below, and if you found this video review to be helpful, I would love it if you gave it a like as well. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.